Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amira, the director of the MSN FNP program at United States University College of Nursing. Welcome everyone. Let me tell you about myself, my research and clinical interest. I'm an emergency nurse practitioner for the past 15 years, currently practicing in emergency services with California Emergency Physicians Group. My specialty is emergency, critical care, internal medicine, and family practice. My research study, titled Pediatric Pain Management in Emergency Department: An Evidence-Based Approach, has been published by Pediatric Nursing on January 2016. My other research interests include challenges and satisfiers of foreign-educated physicians transitioning to FNP role in the United States. This has been accepted for publication by Journal of Cultural Diversity, and the manuscript has been authored by myself, by Dr. Peraza Smith, and by Dr. Renee McLeod. My other interests include use of coaching and education to reduce cardiovascular risk factors among Filipino Americans, the role of NP and ED triage, and drug-seeking behavior patients in emergency department setting. My education. I completed my MSN FNP program at Cal State University, Dominguez Hills at Carson, California. My Doctor of Nursing practice at University of San Diego. My family. My husband is also a professor, and I have a son. He's in the military. My hobbies include reading. I love to travel. I love to volunteer in the community and also to volunteer in medical missions. I'm affiliated with different professional organizations in the community, such as I'm currently the Vice President of the Philippine Nurses Association of America National Organization from 2016 to 2018. I'm immediate past President of the Philippine Nurses Association of San Diego County from 2014 to 2016. A member of California Association of Nurse Practitioners, San Diego County AIDS/IV Planning Group, and advisory board member for California Health Impact. I'm a member of Sigma Theta Tau International Organization, Zeta Mu chapter. I hope that you will have the best education journey at United States University. We, the faculty, is here to support and assist you to be successful with this program. My contact information, email address, mramira@usuuniversity.edu, and my office number 619-876-4250, extension 2081. Thank you.